Hey guys, welcome to my channel Digital Dog, and today I am going to unbox another thing in front of you guys, and which is really important nowadays. So guys, this one is, these are the 10 feet 10 Ethernet cable, and this one is the 150 feet 1 Ethernet cable. I'm going to open this one first. So let me open this. Oh wow, that's amazing. It's done. Okay, so guys, this one is, okay, so these I'm not taking out because it seems like these are the clippers, like various clippers you can attach, because it's a long 50 feet. So these are the clippers you can attach this cable. So this one is the cable, 50 feet. One end is this, one end is this. And I'm gonna tell you all the features and details and uses of this long 50 feet Ethernet cable, Cat 6. Outdoor and indoor 10 Gbps, support Cat 8, Cat 7 network, flat internet, RJ45 LAN, patch cords, solid high-speed computer wire with clips for router, modem, PS4, 5, Xbox, gaming, white, Cat 6 performance at a Cat 5e price, but with higher bandwidth, bundled with the 20 cable clips, so no need to buy them elsewhere. High performance Cat 6 30 AWG UL listed RJ45 Ethernet patch cable provides universal connectivity for LAN network components such as PCS, computers, servers, printers, routers, switch boxes, network, media players, NAS, VoIP phones, JADOIL, waterproof standard cable support, Cat 6 network, and provides performance of up to 250 megahertz, 10 Gbps, and is suitable for 10 base T, 100 base TX fast Ethernet, 1000 base T, 1000 base TX, gigabit Ethernet, and UTP unshielded twisted pair patch cable with RJ45 gold-plated connectors, and are made of 100% bare copper wire, ensure minimal noise and interference. The unique flat cable shape allows for a cleaner and safer installation. You can easily and seamlessly make the cable run along walls, follow edges and corners, and even make it completely invisible by sliding it under a carpet. So I will say it a wow, because it's the length is awesome. And wherever your router is, you can just adjust your laptop or your computer with that because of its length. And before winding up with this, the cost of this 50 feet is $20. You can purchase it from Amazon or any online website. So I just took it out. It's so good. So these are the two connectors. It seems to me the best of the quality, and it is so sleek and thin. As you can see, the quality seems to be very nice. It's so guys, it's a flat one, so there would not be any chance of kinking. So this one are the various clippers attached to it, and you can attach to it according to your need, and you can even hide it under the carpet because it's so thin. So it will, I mean, it's a go. I think it's a plus point for this cable. So this one is done, $20. So guys, please subscribe my channel Digital Dot, and till the next video, take care and bye bye.